In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Etsy account. Whether you're looking to start your own craft shop or simply want to make purchases, having an Etsy account will open a world of creative possibilities. Let's dive right in with the first step, starting your journey by visiting their website. So fire up your favorite web browser and go to Etsy.com. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner. When you click on that, you'll notice an option to register. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your brand new Etsy account. Clicking on Register will present you with a short form to fill out. Here, you'll need to provide your email address, your name, and create a password. Now, when choosing your password, make sure it's both strong and memorable. You know the drill. Try a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for good measure. Once you've got these details entered, double-check them to make sure everything is spelled correctly, and click the Register button to proceed. The next step is a crucial one. Etsy will send a confirmation email to the address you used for registration, so hop on over to your email inbox. Sometimes these emails might end up in the spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if it doesn't appear immediately. Once you locate the email, open it up and you'll see a button inviting you to confirm your account. Go ahead and click that. And there you have it. You've successfully activated your Etsy account. From here, you can start exploring the vibrant world of handmade crafts and unique vintage treasures. If you're thinking about becoming a seller yourself, you've already laid the foundation by creating your account. As you become more accustomed to the platform, feel free to personalize your account settings according to your preferences. Explore Etsy's many features, such as setting notification preferences or adding a profile picture to make your account feel more like home. Also, remember to keep your login credentials secure and consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Creating an Etsy account is just the beginning. There's so much more to discover and enjoy. Whether you're buying or selling, being part of the Etsy community is a wonderful way to support and engage with a network of talented creators and enthusiastic buyers. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy for you. Happy exploring. And don't forget, if you have questions or need further help, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy browsing Etsy.